When building a customer persona, you need to find out first who that customer really is and what they're about. Second, what are the customer's critical pain points and aspirations generally and specifically for your product? 3, how would the product solve the problem or pain for that customer and how does it fit into their life? Next, what are the key motivating factors for that customer? How do they make their decisions generally and specifically for that product? And what does an in-depth day in the life of that customer really look like? You also need to know what influences and controls their decision making. What would their ideal situation look like if the problem could be solved by your product? And how would it improve or change their life? Let's go ahead and dive into what it takes to build a strong customer persona. At the surface, what we want to know about a customer is, does the customer really face and experience an active, urgent problem that they want to solve and pay for now? How do they describe that problem in their own words, not yours? Is the customer aware of their problem? Are they motivated to solve it? Are they trying to solve it already? Or are they really unaware and unmotivated and not really looking to solve that problem? If you have to convince them of all those things, that's a really different problem. You need to know who that customer is. What are their demographics, job position, place? What's their status in the decision-making process? Are they the actual buyer or the user? What's their level of technical understanding, if it's relevant to that particular product you're delivering? What's the match for skill set and use of that product? What's their level of capacity to buy a product? And how does this product really fit into their budget? Back to that concept of what is a day in the life of that customer. It helps you understand their motivations, their frustrations, and what their real pain points are, and how this pain point fits into others. Who are the people who influence them? What's the ideal outcome if that problem was solved for that customer? And of course, are they really the buyer? Remember, to build a customer persona relating to all the different players who can have an impact on the sales process. Also make sure you create personas to address different levels of interest in the product from the early adopter to the majority user in your customer base.